Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Falik Ainul Yakin with the student ID number is 202331329. So this time I will explain about the second practicum report. There is data manipulation language. So let's go straight to the first instruction is import database DB rumah sakit via CMD terminal. I have imported the database first, so let's go straight into the second instruction. It is tambah to add doctor data to the table doctor table. So in a comment prompt it's like messed up. So I already I gathered the screenshot each instruction in one folder. So we just use that screenshot. We just instruction number 2 is to add the data. So if we want to add the data inside the table that we already created before, and inside the tables already have a data, we just fill the data before this. We just use insert into is a command, and then doctor, this section is the table's name, so insert into table doctor, and then we create values, and this section is where we fill the new data that we want to add to the table, like this. And we want to add D009 Dr. Zero Wibowo and Psychiatry, and then boom, we succeed to add the data. Okay, next instruction, the instruction number 3 is to add kunjungan data, new kunjungan data. So in this instruction basically same like before, the instruction number 2. So we the difference is maybe, so we just use the same command like before, like insert into kunjung. Kunjung is table's name, and then values, we fill the data, the new data that we want to add, and then this mark and enter number 4, I mean, sorry. To display list, to display list patient name and the patient date birth, who are gender female, with in this database female is P and born before 1990. So we use this command is select nama and tanggal lahir. This part tells the database to retrieve 2 columns, which is nama and tanggal lahir, and then from is the command, and patient is the tables inside the database. This specified that the data should be retrieved from the table patient, which likely contains information about patient. And then where jenis kelamin is P. This filters the records to include only patient whose genders is female. That in this case we wrote that in P. And then below this section is and year, tanggal lahir 1990. This further filters is the records to include only patients who were born before 1990. Display the doctor's name and the number of visits they have handled only for doctors who have more than one visit. So this in this instruction is we use the command select the doctor's name and then count visit ID as visit count, and then as so we just use like the subject, that we just can call it the jumlah kunjungan. And then in this section is this part selects the column to be displayed in the query. The columns selected are the doctor name, count visit as a visit count, it counts the number of visits made by patient to each doctor. The count function is used to count the number of rows associated with that doctor. Then from doctor, in here this part specifies the main tables of query, which is the doctor table storing doctor data. And then join. The join is used to combine two tables, doctor and visit. The data will be merged based on the matching values between ID doctor column in the doctor table and ID doctor column in the visit tables, to ensure that the only visit data relevant to a particular doctor will be counted. And then group by, this part groups the result by ID doctor, so the result will show data per doctor. Each doctor will only appear once in the query result. Each group represents one doctor and all visits by patient to the doctor will be count that group. Having count in here, the having clause is used to filter the aggregate result after group by. And then the output is empty set because no data match that we want to display. Is display name, the name and the name of this instruction number 6. Display the name of the polyclinic and the number of patients who have visited each polyclinic, sort from the highest and lowest number. So this part display the name of the polyclinic and counts the number of unique patients who visited the polyclinic. Display the patient's name, complaint and the doctor's name for visit that occurred between April 23rd, 2025 and April 27, 2025. So we in this part select patient name etc. This part select the columns name from the patient tables, complaint from the visit tables, and name from the doctor table. And this part retrieves data from visit table. This part is joins with the patient tables to get the 8 is display all medication given from complaints for complaints that contain the word headache. So this part is selects the distinct medication names from the receipt table. This thing is used to ensure that the only unique medication are displayed. And then this part is retrieves data from the receipt table which contain a receipt data. This part is joined with the visit table to get the patient complaint based on ID visit. This part is filters the data to only display visit whose complaint contains the word headache. The like with the wildcard, this wildcard here allows to matching the word within a longer sentence. Delete the receipt data yang given during visits before April 22nd, 2025. In this part is deletes data from receipt tables. This part is the subquery selects the ID visit from visit that occurred before April 22nd, 2025 from here to here. 6 to display the names of patients who never made a visit. In this part, it selects the name column from the patient tables to display the patient names. Then from patient, this part retrieves data from patient tables. Then left join here. This part is used to combine the patient table with the visit table. This ensures all the patient will be displayed even if they have no visit data. Where in here this part is filters the patient who do not have any visit data, and the result is empty set because every patient have made a visit before. To display the doctor's specialization that does not contain word of teeth or skin. So in this part is select is to this part is to display the specialization column from the doctor's table. And then where is this from doctor, where it filters the doctor's specialties do not contain the word teeth or skin. And not like is used to exclude words containing this part. The wildcard in here is match any character before or after the word being searched. Then update the name of Polygizi Clinic to Polynutrisi. We basically just change the name of the inside the data. So in here this part updates the polyclinics. This part updates the poly tables. Yeah, update the new name is Polynutrisi. where nama poly in here is uh, which subject we want to change. This old name, this is the new name, like this. So we just use this, select receipt what like this. From receipt is we the tables we want to display, where like wildcard like before this output. So that's the last one. Thank you so much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.